Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you athletes and fitness enthusiasts out there. We're going to discuss nutrition tips specifically tailored for athletes on the go. Whether you're traveling for a competition or just constantly on the move, we've got you covered with scientifically backed advice to help you perform at your best. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to understand that proper nutrition plays a crucial role in an athlete's performance. When you're on the go, it can be challenging to maintain a well-balanced diet, but with a little planning and preparation, you can ensure you're fueling your body with the right nutrients. Let's explore some practical tips to help you achieve just that. Tip number 1, prioritize protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making it a key nutrient for athletes. When you're traveling, opt for protein-rich snacks like nuts, seeds, jerky, or protein bars. These portable options will help you meet your protein needs and aid in recovery after intense workouts or competitions. Aim for a protein intake of around 1.22 grams per kilogram of body weight each day to support optimal performance. Tip number 2, don't forget about carbohydrates. Carbs are your body's primary source of fuel, especially during high-intensity activities. Pack easy-to-carry carbohydrate-rich snacks like fruits, whole grain bars, or ice cakes. These will provide you with the energy you need to perform at your peak. Remember to choose complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, giving you sustained fuel throughout your activities. Tip number 3, hydration is key. Staying hydrated is crucial for athletic performance, as even mild dehydration can negatively impact your strength and endurance. Always carry a refillable water bottle with you and aim to drink water regularly throughout the day. If you're traveling to a destination with different water quality, consider using filtered water or bringing your own water purification system to ensure a clean and safe water supply. Tip number 4, smart snacking. When you're on the go, it's easy to give in to unhealthy snacking habits. Instead, plan ahead and pack nutrient-dense snacks that will keep you satisfied and nourished. Fresh fruits, yogurt cups, nut butter packs, or homemade trail mix are excellent choices. Avoid sugary snacks and opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Tip number 5, meal prep magic. Spending some time meal prepping before you travel can save you from relying on unhealthy fast food or convenience store options. Prepare balanced meals in advance, using lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of colorful vegetables. Store them in convenient containers, so you can easily grab and go during your trip. This way, you'll have nutritious meals ready whenever you need them. Tip number 6, supplements and vitamins. While a well-rounded diet should provide most of the nutrients you need, sometimes it can be challenging to meet all the requirements, especially when traveling. Consider packing some essential supplements like multivitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, or vitamin D. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine which supplements may be beneficial for your specific needs. And that's a wrap on our nutrition tips for athletes on the go. Remember, when you're traveling and competing, your body needs proper fuel to perform at its best. By prioritizing protein, carbohydrates, hydration, smart snacking, meal prep, and considering supplements, you'll be able to maintain your nutrition even during the busiest times. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Safe travels, stay active, and we'll see you next time.